Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. Guys, today in this video tutorial I gonna show you how you can record your computer screen using VLC Media Player. Okay, for this you need to open VLC Media Player, click on Media, open Capture Device, and under Capture Mode select Desktop. Select the frame rate as 10 FPS. Choose on Convert. Now click on this icon and under encapsulation select MP4/MOV. Click on video codec, check video, and under codec select H-264. Name your profile and click on create. Now click on browse to locate the destination where you want to save the recording and name your profile here and click on save. Now as soon as you click on start, your computer screen will start recorded using VLC Media Player. You can see the timer here. Let me minimize it, and the actions which I'm performing on your screen are being recorded using VLC Media Player. Now in order to stop the recording, double tap stop icon and close the media player. Now go to the destination where you have saved the recording. Let me show it to you. Let me play it. And you can see the recording is right in front of you. So this was it, how you can record a computer screen using VLC Media Player. These were the actions which I was performing during the recording time. So this was it, how you can record a computer screen using VLC Media Player. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget us to drop us a like and make the subscribe button turn grey and then press on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload the new content right here on our channel. Thanks a lot guys for watching my video.